Hello my little dumplings, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be making something real fun. Even more fun I think than anything else I've ever made. I could be wrong, but don't judge. Just wait till you see what it is. Okay, so we're going to be making, drumroll please. I'm gonna be making keto pretzel dogs. Yeah, amazing, right? So I'm going to use my favorite kind of hot dog. Let me go get it. Nathan's. Okay, I would have to say, if you've never had Nathan's hot dogs, are you even American? Like, let's be real here. So these are the best hot dogs in my opinion ever because they just don't have that like weird taste. I don't know why. They're just good. Right? Let's not argue with the facts, okay? So these are the cheddar cheese ones, which I'm excited about. I've never tried these yet. So let's just dive right into making this. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for coming. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification button because you're gonna wanna know every time I post a new video because you're gonna wanna make all these recipes, trust me. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I went ahead and did was preheated my oven to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And I don't know why I said Fahrenheit, but anyway, 390 degrees. So then let's go over our ingredients. Okay, so ingredients are gonna be things like mozzarella cheese, cream cheese, almond flour, xanthan gum, 2 eggs at room temperature, dry yeast, warm water, and melted butter. So, like I said, let's go ahead and get started. Let me get this place ready to go. Get 3 cups of mozzarella cheese. Okay, so we got that. We're gonna get 4 tablespoons of cream cheese. Okay, so now I'm going to heat this up in about 30-second increments, just until it is fully melted and almost like a liquid. So I'll be back. Okay, so I've heated up for about 2 minutes and I think it's pretty pliable, so we should be good. Now I'm gonna mix together 1.5 cups of almond flour and 2 teaspoons of xanthan gum. All right, so now I've added those 2 things in, and now I'm just gonna mix it really well with a hand mixer. So since I'm using the Rapid Rise instant yeast, I don't have to put it in water first, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix it with the dry ingredients. If you're using regular yeast, I don't know what it's called, but if you're using the other kind of yeast, you'll want to put it in warm water for about 2 minutes first. All right, I'm gonna go mix this up real quick. Now I'm gonna add in 2 eggs that are at room temperature. And a tablespoon of butter, melted. Oops, let's start. All right, I'm gonna mix this up. Okay, I mixed that up. And now I'm going to add melted cream cheese and mozzarella cheese. You're gonna wanna need this if you have a stand mixer, which I don't have. I've just never invested in one yet, honestly. But if you have one of those, you're gonna want it to knead for about 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go hand do this and I'll be back. Okay, so I've mixed it up the best I possibly could. That's kind of what it looks like. So I would highly advise you guys to either put some like oil or almond flour on your hands, just so the dough doesn't stick to you very much. I mean, it's going to, but the least amount possible is obviously going to be the goal. Okay, so I put some oil on the sheet because now I'm gonna pick up the dough and try to make it into a ball the best that I can, because I'm gonna flatten it out just a little bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna pat this out, and I'm going to cut this into 6 even parts. So I'll kind of show you what that looks like. This one's gonna be a little, well, I might be able to do 7. We'll see what happens with 7. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay. All right, let me go grab the hot dog. All right, so I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna try to roll it out, but there's oil on here, so obviously making it a little bit more difficult. Okay, so I'm feeling this is gonna be pretty long. Unless I just like, well, let's see. Okay, well, I thought it was going to be too long, but it actually turned out pretty well. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm just going to repeat this with the other ones. Alrighty, so I actually was able to make 8 of them with the amount of dough I had, so it worked out pretty good. So I didn't have to do something with the rest of them in the package. I literally just rolled them up in here. So I'm gonna grab my pan lined with parchment paper. Okay, so I'm gonna set them on here. Oh. These are gonna be so good. So I'm gonna go grab some butter. All right, so I'm going to top these with some melted butter. I don't know why I said these weird. I'm going to top these with some melted butter. My favorite, everything bagel seasoning. So if you have a Sam's Club near you, I think this whole thing costs like $5. So really good price for what you get. We don't have a Trader Joe's near us, so boo. I'm sad about it, but at least I can find some alternatives to their products. Okay, so now it's all ready to go in the oven, and I'm gonna start out with about 10 or 12 minutes, and then we'll go from there and see how they do. Holy shamoly. Just took these out of the oven, and what? These look amazing. This honestly could cause someone to break out into I honestly think this could make someone break out into a dance, which I will do right now. Okay, these look so good. So like I said in my last video, I'm going to be doing a new taste testing portion of my food videos. So let me head over to the dining room and we'll test these out. This is my plate. I've got my Dr. Zevia. What? Just kidding. Ginger root beer Zevia in tow. I am ready. Ready to try this. So now I've got my thinkers on and my sears because over my eyes. And now I'm going to taste test the first, in this house, the first keto pretzel dog. That's my washing machine. Let's ignore it. Okay, so now I'm going to try it. One thing I was worried about is what are the bottoms gonna look like? And let me assure you, they look delicious as well. They are browned. I was kind of worried they were gonna be like just plain, like kind of like the sides are. But look at this top with everything bagel seasoning. And I forgot, these are the cheddar Nathins. I've never tried these yet. excited. Okay, I'm gonna dip it in reduced sugar ketchup because we can't have the full sugar. Now, oh, what is my hair doing? Oh my God. Okay, now it's time to try it. And I can't wait. Okay, here we go. This is so weird. I still hate it, but it's fine. I mean, I don't hate it, I just, whatever. Hot diggity dog! These are scrumdiddlyumptious, as Willy Wonka will tell you, is the dog will slide out of the bun.
That is good. That is good.
Final thoughts. These are literally so good. I'm definitely gonna make them again. I don't think there's really anything I would change. I mean, they're awesome. I feel like they'd also be like taste really good, like dipped in mustard, or if you're like going kind of crazy, or not if you're going crazy, but if you are crazy, sauerkraut, because I am a sauerkraut girl. So thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe, especially if it's your first time here. Guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, comment down below, all that good stuff. Follow me on Instagram at Marilyn Lane, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.